Hello everyone. In this video, we will start your next chapter, that is control and coordination. The very first part of this chapter is stimulus. And what is stimulus or stimuli? The change in environment to which the organism respond or react is called stimuli or stimulus. Then what is coordination? The working together of different organs of the body of an organism in a proper manner to produce a proper reaction to a stimulus is called coordination. और कह सकते हैं कि एक ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी के डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स का एक प्रॉपर मैनर में किसी स्टिमुलेशन के लिए रिएक्शन देना कहलाता है कोऑर्डिनेशन. एक प्रॉपर कंट्रोल और कोऑर्डिनेशन प्रोसेस के लिए हायर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के पास दो सिस्टम होते हैं. नंबर 1 नर्वस सिस्टम, नंबर 2 एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम और द हार्मोनल सिस्टम. Plants do not have nervous system, so they possess only the hormonal system. Then coordination in animals. In higher multicellular organisms, coordination is achieved by nervous system and endocrine system. And what is nervous system? Nervous system is composed of neurons, or we can say the basic or functional unit of a nervous system is neuron, which send or receive the electrical signals or the nerve impulse. Endocrine system. Endocrine system consists of endocrine glands which brings about control by chemical messengers which are named as hormones. Now nervous system in animals. Except the sponges, all multicellular organisms possess simple or complex nervous system which is composed of neurons. Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of a nervous system, or the nerve cell is known as neuron, which are structural and functional unit of nervous system. Then structure of neuron. Neuron is the longest cell of an animal body. It is 90 to 100 centimeter long cell which consists of three parts. The uppermost cell body. Hair-like structure present on the cell body are dendroids and long single axon. Now I am showing you the structure of neuron. This is the structure of neuron. This particular part is known as cell body. Cell body consists of all the cellular parts which are mitochondria. Nasal granules are the specific part for the identification of nerve cell. Except centriole, all the cellular organs are present in cell body. Cell body is concerned with metabolic maintenance and growth of the neuron. It receives the impulse from the dendroids and transmits to the axon. So we can say that cell body is the mediator part between dendroids and axon. Then what are dendroids or dendrons? They are several short, tapering, branched protoplasmic processes which stretch out from the cell body. सेल बॉडी से बाहर बहुत सारे जो हेयर लाइक छोटे प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक स्ट्रेचेस होते हैं, इनको हम कहते हैं डेंड्रॉइड्स. लाइक दिस हियर. डेंड्रॉइड्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ न्यूरॉन विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सेंसेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, और एनी इंफॉर्मेशन is received only by neurons. The information is then transmitted to the next part by in the form of electrical signals through the nasal granules and neurofibrils. Then what is axon? This long shaft-like structure single is known as axon. This axon is covered by a sheath known as myelin sheath. This myelin sheath is absent in some places and these parts are known as node of Ranvier. This type of structure. This myelin sheath is responsible for the rapid conduction of electrical signal. The axon conduct the nerve impulse away from the cell body, whereas dendroids carried the information towards the cell body, and axon carry away the information from the cell body. Axon is covered by myelin sheath, or the membrane of axon is known as exolemma. The protoplasm present inside the axon is known as exoplasm. Nerve fiber having myelin sheath, which are termed as myelinated neurons. Some neurons are non-myelinated also. The space where myelin sheath is absent is node of Ranvier. The neuron transmit the nerve impulse in the form of electrical signals, and they do not divide. Neurons have certain capabilities that are neurons never get divided or don't get repair. It means if any injury takes place in a new nerve cell, then it will not get repaired or divide. This is all about the structure of neuron. We'll meet in the next video.